Okay, who are we? Kevin, Wayne,
Say something. So this is Kevin. He's one of our senior engineers, and he's absolutely amazing with Cloud Foundry, many years of experience. I'm Wayne Seguin. I'm the CEO of FiveTwenty. If you want to hear more about that, come find me in the networking, and let's talk about it. But on to more important things.
All right, Stratos is coming back. So a couple years ago, the Stratos project got archived. The maintainers could not find anyone to take the torch, and just the way things were going, we weren't quite able to take over it. So the last version on the Cloud Foundry site is 4.4. We just recently released 4.8.1 to a fork in the Cloud Foundry community, and let's give you a little update of what's going on. But just a quick note, special shout out, thank you to Neil, Richard, and Troy, and everyone else at the SUSE team who they built this. We're just stepping into the shoes of giants right now. Okay, so what's currently going on, now that we have the project, we are going through and we're cleaning up all the CVEs. When we're releasing 4.8.0, I managed to get all of the Go CVEs gone and almost all of the JavaScript ones, lots of JavaScript. So we went from hundreds of CVEs to basically zero. They're creeping back up again, and we're working through them. So we are rebuilding with more updates and bug fixes, and a special shout out to the AnyNines people. Would you like to, you were the one who...
Yes, thank you. Big thank you to the AnyNines folks. They contributed a very large PR to this effort when they found out that we were talking about reviving it. And they've also graciously accepted to become involved in this project. They can, you know, committers, contributors be able to push it. So it's really nice to see community being community, right? Like, so that's really exciting for me at least. So thank you, AnyNines, like, huge shout out.
So thankfully right now most of the bugs are cosmetic, old CSS libraries, things like that. So we're working through those. And we are now restarting the build process. It's a bit challenging because we use Concourse and they were using a different process. The build process is currently, they want to tag before they build, we tag it after we build it. That's causing no end of problems. So the pipelines are up and running, but the version numbers get messed up on compile, working through that. So, big thank you to the Cloud Foundry TOC. I was able to get them to unarchive. It's actually, was it the first project being unarchived, we think? So, yep.
Renaissance!
So the FiveTwenty team is currently the approvers and reviewers, the AnyNines people we're adding now, and we are looking for more people who want to work on it. For myself, right now the main focus is to get it up to CF API v3. So we're working to get, yes.
Just the V2!
That's priority number one. So we're not planning any new features right now. We're not planning anything other than updating the Angular version, the CF v3 API, and everything CF we are going to be working on and testing. There are a bunch of other components for Helm and Kubernetes. We don't have the scope right now to work on that. If any of you guys are like, I need to have the Helm support in there, talk to us.
Join us.
Yes.
PRs are wonderful.
So, yeah, so these two are bust. And yeah, that's it's.
There are a few other small changes that we will make. Mostly, we have a few folks that are using it kind of at scale. The things break at scale, so especially older JavaScript-based libraries. So therefore, we are also looking into some performance-related fixes and some misalignments in database and things like that. So there's mostly fixes, but yeah, no, we're not intending on new features, but PRs are definitely welcome and show that it works. And let's talk.
Yep. Yeah, there's a few issues in GitHub that we have to respond to, but just getting the build system working has been a bit of a challenge. So, but hey, it's back to life. It's here. So, and that's just a quick update. Hopefully next CF Day we will have, well, I mean, big news.
And I would like to second the statement that maintaining, with the pace of Go updates, maintaining Go versions amongst components and things like that, yeah, that's a thing.